Hey there, crafters. Welcome back to Craft Basics. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So, I would start off by saying this is me, the face behind the hands. Okay? I know I typically don't do videos where I'm showing my face, but I wanted to do a live earlier. And I tried twice, it didn't work. For some reason, my microphone wasn't working. So I'm like, all this effort to show my face and it's not working. Let's just do a video. Let's just do a regular video opposed to going live. I don't know, maybe user error. I have no idea. But we're still trying. We're not going to give up because that's not a part of our DNA. We do not give up. So if one thing doesn't work, we're trying something else. I wanted to talk about my resin journey. I'm just getting started using resin. I did a video earlier after trying to do the live and it wasn't working. I still went ahead and did a video, so I'll post that video after showing you how I created these keychains. However, I really wanted to just jump on live and share with you some of the products that I purchased, after doing some research. So I was a little hesitant at first to start using resin, and I'm like, you know what? We need to just do the research, get started. All right. So before I share with you the products that I have purchased, I want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, who have been supporting me. For those who haven't subscribed and are supporting me, I want to say thank you as well. And go ahead and hit that subscription button so you don't miss my videos. I really appreciate your support. I am at, I think 6,200 and something subscribers right now. And it has been an amazing journey. And it's all thank you to my supporters. And it wouldn't have been possible without you guys. So thank you for the support. Thank you for your comments, all the likes, sharing all the tips and tricks, that have worked for you over the years. You have been crafters. And for anyone who has reached out having questions about the products or the videos that I have posted, I want to say thank you. Thank you. This video, this channel would not be possible without your support. So I don't want to forget that. I'm taking the time out to say I really appreciate you guys. All right. So yeah, let's talk about my resin journey. So I went on Amazon and I purchased some items. So this was the UV resin package. There are 3 bottles that came in this package. I already started using one. So it comes with a little nozzle that you are able to take off the regular top and replace it with this top. All right. You also need to purchase a UV light. All right. So it's on right now, and you can change the settings. I purchased this one on Amazon. Came in this little box right here. So that's Mr. Resin. And another key item that you will need to create resin products would be the molds. So these are silicone molds, and I purchased a set. So I'm just starting out. I'm not gonna go crazy. I really wanted to go crazy, but we're testing, so let's go slow. So for these, you're able to make like keychains, like these that I just did. And I'll tell you more about how these turned out. I do believe these are also for earrings, so you can, make your own little cute earrings at home. And this tool here, this is a heat gun. I purchased this locally. I didn't purchase on Amazon because by the time I realized I really needed it, I didn't place the order in time, and I just went ahead and purchased this locally. So this is a heat gun, has different settings, and you need that for your resin products, your projects. So you're removing the little bubbles when you're working with resin. I guess some of the UV resins, they create bubbles when you're working with them, so you need to remove your bubbles so your projects don't have little bubbles in it when you're finished. Okay. I have some accessories that I'm using as alternatives until I receive some products that I've purchased. And one of the reasons why I didn't want to use UV, well, not specific UV resin, but resin epoxy in general, was that I was concerned about the health factors. A lot of persons use UV resin and they're not taking into consideration the health concerns. It does have some toxins in it, even though, you know, manufacturers will say, oh, there is no smell. You should still use a mask. Okay, so wear your mask when you're using UV resin and any other resin at all. I do have one of the bigger masks, which I purchased probably 2 years ago, for working with sprays, because I want to prevent all those little particles from going up my nostrils. And gloves. I ordered some black ones on Amazon. I haven't received them yet, so I'm working with these for now until I receive my gloves that I will be using each time I'm working on a project for UV resin. And there are silicone cups that you can purchase for mixing your resin. But because, again, my products are late with shipment, I went ahead and purchased these in the supermarket. So these are just little cups, little containers that you're able to dispose of when you use it with the UV resin. And I also use them to separate my my mixing accessories. So these are sequins, this gold foil. All right, so that's the gold foil. I use this for other projects. And this is glitter, so you can also put glitter in your projects. All right. So some other accessories that you can use as alternatives if you don't have the silicone accessories on hand. I have skewers that I can use for the mixing. You can also use these fudge sticks for the mixing as well, or you can use toothpicks. I've seen a couple persons on tutorials that I've watched using toothpicks for smaller mixtures, not for the larger ones. I think for the larger ones you can go for these. All right. And another handy thing would be wipes. I use wipes to clean up. For example, if I'm using the skewer to mix, I can easily use the wipes to just clean away any residue so that I'm not leaving any resin on my work area. So what I do have, and I've seen other crafters use, is a silicone mat. So I have a silicone mat on my work area. The silicone mats, you can purchase those on Amazon. I had one from previous craft stuff that I've done, because I have done acrylic paint. So I've worked with acrylic paint, and it's much easier to clean up after. So whenever I was creating my paintings, I was using the silicone mat. So it works for resin projects as well, so it doesn't mess up your work area, and it's easier for cleaning up purposes. Okay, So let's talk a little bit about these two keychains. So I'll link the video so you can see how I created these two. So for this one, it's a gold foil with a little piece of artwork in it, and I added the keychains after. So this turned out pretty good. It didn't come out sticky. I did 2 layers to finalize this project. This one as well was 2 layers. However, there was a little issue on the back, but I know where I went wrong, and when you watch that video you will see what went wrong. But once again, I am learning, and I am really looking forward to hearing, you know, what you guys think about the actual video when I post it. And please share with me, tell me where I went wrong. I would love to hear what has worked for you in terms of using UV resin, and just some tips, so just some general tips now that I'm starting to use this product. Okay, so that's it for today. I just wanted to share this new journey that I'm starting and let you guys know that I really appreciate all your support. You know, you made this possible for me. So thank you for tuning in today, and I will see you in my next video.